Yo guys, it's your boy Arky, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make floors for skate ramps. So all you have to do is join my Discord, link in the description. And when you join my Discord, just scroll up, go to the sub verification chat, send a screenshot of you subscribed, and then scroll down to temps. And then I'm going to be posting the template in here, so all you have to do is download it. Then after that you can close that down and then drag the RPF file that you just downloaded into your desktop. So then press open IV. So guys, when it's open, just close, if any of these are open, just close them. And then just drag this RPF file into the empty space. Make a new folder called, I'm just going to call it skate floors, and then just turn up edit mode, yes, double click, double click, double click, double click, till you get the texture. And all you want to do is press on the first texture, and then you want to export all textures, PNG, find the file, so skate floors, select, make sure it's PNG. And then when you've done all that, just press that, press X, and then go to the other texture, and then export all textures, PNG, skate, yep, floors, yeah, select. And after that, you can close that down, minimize that, and open Photoshop. So guys, when you've opened Photoshop, just press open. Go to desktop, find your folder, and then all I'm going to do is drag all of these into here. So guys, when you've done that, all you have to do is find the ones that have like a marble look, so like this. Just find one. I'm going to do like a stone, so I'm just going to do stone floor PNG. So guys, I found one. All I'm going to do is right click, copy image, edit, paste, Control T, put it in the corner, and then just drag it to make it that big, and then boom, and then file, save as, PNG, just press save, yes, okay, and then I'll get back to you when I've replaced all of them. So guys, I've replaced them all, as you can see, replaced that and some other ones. So now I'm just going to close that, open file, open IV. If you closed it before, just drag that into the empty space again. Well, I haven't, so all I'm going to do is go to texture, the first one, then find this, press replace, drag it to the side, and then you know where it says I'm concrete 29, so look for concrete 29. So make sure it has a B as well, so boom, it's that one. And then check if you have any more to do. No, oh yeah, this one. This is SN, so this is that one. Boom, boom, right, save that. And when you've saved that, go to the other one and go find this one, concrete 29B, and I'll get back to you guys when I've finished and replaced them all. So guys, I've done them all, so all I'm going to do is save, and then you could check the drawable, just add the texture, hold up. So as you can see, it's not going to show all of them, but as you can see, there is stone there. So after that, all you have to do is press X, and now I'm going to show you how to get it in game. So all you have to do is press right click on your FIVEM, open file location, or if you don't know how to do that, search up FIVEM, right click, open file location, right click, open file location, and then there. So application data, and then go to mods, and if you have any other ones for skatepark, other floors, just drag it out. I'm just going to drag that into a different folder. And then I'm just going to drag this, the one that I just made, into the empty space. And then there you go. I'll catch you guys when I'm in the game. So guys, as you can see, they have done. So if we go down here, it's a nice floors to be honest. But yeah, if you guys have enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And that's all I got to do for today. So have a good one, guys.